I've had repeated requests about my electric shaver lockpick. This is the one from my video, first one I made. Here is what it looked like before. The top's easily removed. There's the shaver head. It pops off. And then you have to take this plastic part off. Well, and then you see a piece of rubber. After the rubber is removed, you'll have something like this. And that's what you attach your lockpick to. I made the lockpicks out of a scroll saw blade. It's about 18 thousandths of an inch thick, and you can make it in any design you want. I prefer the half diamond, but I've also made a smooth one. It works good on some locks. I attached the blade with this. It's epoxy putty. It comes in a tube. It's in two parts. You mix it until it's uniform and use it to attach the blade to the end. And that's all there is to it.